In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply conditional formatting based on a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Like in this example, as you can see, whenever the checkbox is clicked, the task is highlighted as green. Whenever the checkbox is unclicked, the task is no longer highlighted. So to do this, I copy and paste these tasks right here, and we're going to go ahead and insert a text box. To do this, it's very easy with Excel's most recent update. We can just go to Insert, Checkbox, and it's that easy. We're going to copy and paste these checkboxes down. And the checkboxes are great, one, because they're visually aesthetic, which can make what you're working on much easier to communicate and use. But another thing that's great about these checkboxes is that they have true, false values assigned to them based on where they're clicked. So as you can see, hovering over this unclicked checkbox, the formula bar says false. If I click on the checkbox, it goes to true. And you can see that in a cell reference too. So if I do equals to the checkbox, then it is false because it is unclicked. If I click the checkbox, it goes to true. So this is great because we can apply conditional formatting using this logic. To do this, we want to first highlight the range that we want to apply the conditional formatting to, which in this example are these 10 tasks. Now, from here, we want to go to the Home tab, and we want to go to Conditional Formatting, and we want to click on New Role. From here, we want to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and we want to say, hey, whenever these cells equal to true, then we want to do some sort of formatting. So we're going to do C equals C4, C3 equals true. A couple comments here real quick. One thing is very important that you have just the word true. It's not in quotes because the true not in quotes is logical and the true in quotes is text. So not like this because this is text. True just like this. Also, you want to make sure to adjust to references here, so it defaults into an absolute reference, but you want to have just a relative reference by removing the $signs there, so the conditional formatting will go down based on what's in column C. And then here we want to set the formatting to whatever we want to have it as. You can do format, and we can have the fill be green, for example, or whatever we want. And we can even have a border, or we can adjust the font, or so for example, we can have it be struck through and green. If, for example, OK, then click OK. And now when I click on a task, it is struck out and marked as green. And we can even do the reverse and add another layer of conditional formatting, and whenever the checkbox is not clicked, then it's red. So we're going to highlight the range again, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and here we're going to say, well, whenever the checkbox is not clicked, so whenever it is false, then the task is red. So wherever you do equals, the first checkbox at the top is C3, wherever this equals false. And like with true, you want to make sure the false is not in quotes because it's logical. And in quotes would be picked up as text. We remove the $signs so that way it is relative reference and just will apply to everything in column C versus the $signs would be whatever was only C3. And we're going to format. In conditional formatting, we can adjust any really properties of the cell. So we're going to adjust the fill to be red, but we want it to be a lighter red. I like a lighter red, so more colors. Like a light red right there. Okay. And as you can see, now whenever the checkbox is unclicked, it is red. Whenever the checkbox is clicked, it is green and struck through. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.